قناة أمريكية منبهرة من المناورات البحرية المشتركة بين الجزائر وروسيا وتصف البحر بأنه تحول لبركان. قبل البدء، إذا كنت جزائري وتفتخر بذلك، اعمل إعجاب لهذا الفيديو.
Russia and Algeria are currently conducting joint naval exercises in the western part of the Mediterranean Sea, where the frigate Admiral Grigorovich has already arrived to participate in these exercises. The frigate has reached the port of Algeria in the Mediterranean Sea to take part in joint naval exercises with ships belonging to the Algerian Navy. Algeria's positions have become increasingly unusual due to Russian support, as it decided to deny passage to a U.S. aircraft through its airspace. At the same time, it also prevented French military aircraft heading to Niger in the same manner. The exercises are being led through a joint operations center specifically established, comprising officers from both the Russian and Algerian navies.
التمرين يجدد قلق الأوروبيين من تغلغل الروس في حوض المتوسط، ولا يستبعد المراقبون أن يثير هذا التمرين توتراً بين أوروبا والجزائر بسبب فتحها الباب أمام نفوذ روسي على الحدود الجنوبية.